Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change language in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Go to settings. Then go to system. Go to system. And here select languages and input. And here click on languages and select add a language and select the language to be added to your phone. Here I would like to select Tamil and it will be added. Okay, suppose if you would like to activate this Tamil, just click on it, click and drag Tamil to upper position, that is first position, and language will be changed. Okay, see here, yes, language has been changed to Tamil now. Okay, if you would like to activate English, then again you go to move this English to the first position. Okay, and it be now applied. Okay, if you would like to add more language, click on add a language and select any other language, and that will be included. And if you would like to activate it, just you got to move that language to the first position and it will be activated. Okay, so in this way you can easily add many language and you can activate that particular language by moving it to the first position. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye bye.